Zipping along, this is my favourite one. Can I zip down here to the vintage book, tea and stationery? This is £39 for a 3-month subscription. Look at this beautiful little bundle of the African Queen Diary of Anne Frank vintage books. So we're re-gifting, we're reusing things.
Lovely.
Not filling up
penguin
landfill.
books.
Absolutely lovely. You get some stationery, you get some tea as well, delivered to your doorstep every month.
You tell them what kind of books you like,
yes,
I presume.
my daughter would love that. It's so precious, it's beautiful. I really like it.
What's my New Year resolution?
To read more.
Read
there you
more.
go.
Well, then you can
get
sign
your
up
gift
for
sorted.
the Willoughby Book Club, no relation, and no
not Holly's
no, nothing
family.
to do with Holly. £29 to £44.99 a month for a 3-month subscription. Again, answer questions about your preferences. You get a nice presentation box when you give it, and then you get a book every month. Really lovely.
Yeah, that is nice
gift.
for someone who likes reading.
This.
Great.
Brother-in-law not watching this is so designed for him. This is the Knitted Bow Tie Club. £44.99 for 3 months. Each month you get sent a stylish little elf is modelling it here. Stylish knitted bow tie.
Have you to tie that yourself?
Do you have to be a bit of a hipster for that,
I think that's kind of retro, cool, 70s chic. No? No.
Wouldn't be for me, but I could see those kind of hipstery young dudes.
I really like that. I think that's lovely.
That.
And here we've got the sewing postal as well. That's £45. Once a month you get a little crafting thing to make. That's nice.
Well, now that will be very popular because a lot of people like crafting.
Absolutely. Love that. Now, my favourites ever, just popping round here, are these, which are the Days Out and the Museum and the Cultural Passes. So we've got National Art Pass, the English Heritage Pass, we've got Merlin Passes, Tate Modern and Horticultural Passes. These allow you, and sometimes a friend as well, to get in tickets to, once a month, an event at the Tate, say. When you join with these, you often get sort of VIP treats. You get discounts in the gift shop. The Tate have a fantastic members cafe, which with this you'd be able to go into. Normally you wouldn't. So it's really lovely to say, you know, if I gave that to my mother, she'd be able to take my father to the Tate once a month, go to the cafe. It'd be absolutely gorgeous.
And the National Trust, a good one, because they're all over the country as well.
Absolutely. So these are nationwide. This is a no-brainer. I've just done this for my goddaughter. A Vogue subscription, Harper's Bazaar, Empire. Many of these magazines are less than half price at the moment. But be careful when you're buying them. Make sure you're buying the physical magazine, not just the digital copy.
Yeah.
Yes, because otherwise that can be disappointing. Less than half price, but also with all of these, be careful that you end the subscription when you want it to. Otherwise, you could go on paying for Auntie Edith's curry night for many, many years to come without even noticing it. So check your bank balances and make sure you've only signed up for a certain
Very interesting. There you go.
You've got a few ideas there.
Really nice.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Alice. Thank you.
Does anyone do anything with that gin?
It's yours, darling.